Watch, she's gonna follow us. Look what he gave me. So let's tie fly. We got our little duck feather. Two strands of ostrich roll. I had three. I don't know where the other one. Oh yeah. And then we're just gonna create a little tapered body. Not much. We don't want to close that gap at all. Just gonna wrap this forward. Some UV thick. It don't matter what brand. I'm not sponsored by nobody. Take the UV light and use it to check your teeth. Okay, here's a little trick. You know, everybody gets those curly tails on Instagram pictures. This is how you do it. You take your fingernail and you run it down the feather like that, just like a Christmas ribbon, and it'll curl up a little bit. You guys, take care.